In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Bambu Lab Handy app on Android. This is a straightforward process that you can follow step by step. By the end, you will have the app installed and ready to use. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can recognize the Google Play Store by its colorful triangle logo. This is where you can find and download apps, games, and other content for your Android device. If you are not logged in, you may be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. This is important because it ensures you can access all the features of the Play Store, including downloading apps. Once you are logged in, you are ready for the next step. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store. This is a prominent feature that allows you to quickly find what you are looking for. When you tap on the search bar, your keyboard will pop up, allowing you to type. Type Bambu Handy into the search field. Make sure to spell it correctly to find the right app. This step is crucial because entering the correct app name ensures you are looking for the exact application you want to install. Now, select the official app developed by Shanghai Lungquo Technology Company, Limited. You can identify it by looking for the developer's name alongside the app icon. This verification is important to avoid downloading a fake or malicious app. Ensuring you select the official app guarantees that you get the most secure and stable version available. You will see the app icon and its details displayed on your screen, confirming that you are on the right track. After confirming the app, tap Install. This button is usually brightly colored and easy to find. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading to your device. The download process may take a moment depending on your internet speed. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. It's reassuring to know that once this step is complete, the app will be available on your device for immediate use. Once the installation is complete, you will be notified with an option to open the app directly from the Play Store. You can either tap Open or you can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. This makes it simple to start using the app right away. The Bambu Lab Handy app will allow you to manage your 3D printing tasks efficiently, so make sure you take the time to explore its features once you have it installed. That wraps up the process for downloading the Bambu Lab Handy app on your Android device. Follow these steps and you will have the app installed in no time. If you encounter any issues along the way, double-check that you are searching for the correct app and that your device is connected to the internet. Thank you for watching and enjoy using your new app.